In this video, I'll be unboxing the ON Kids Tablet Bundle. This is the 8-inch, so you get a better idea what's included in the box. So let's get started. So first of all, over here we have a case, portable case that is soft, where the tablet can fit inside. Basically, it has also an additional pocket on the front that has a pen holder in the middle. We get a SD card eject tool because this tablet has the capabilities to expand its memory using a micro SD card, and to have access to that slot, well, we need this small tool. We have a quick start guide just to tell you how to charge, how to turn it on, a user guide that goes slightly more in depth about certain features, but I'll make many different tutorials on how to use it on my channel, since this doesn't cover much. Then we also have a screen protector. This is a solid screen protector, probably made out of glass or plastic, solid plastic, which you will need to install if you want to protect the screen, obviously. And then we have over here the tablet. As you see here, the micro SD card slot is located on the left. We have the volume buttons. And on the top, we have the mic, the camera, and the light sensor. So when you remove this paper, you can see them all. The tablet comes already installed in the case, but if you want to remove it, you simply have to bend the corners of the case slightly so it pops out and the tablet gets out in case you want to clean it or have access to the micro SD card reader there. This is how it looks without the case. To put it back, let's see how easy it is. I put the corners here and I push the other ones. Wow, really easy. The case itself has this stand that can be set up at many different angles. Therefore, if you want the tablet to stay on a table like that, well, it's possible. Let's see what else is included. On this side, we have a strap. This is if you wish to add a strap to the bag. As you see, it has these loops on each side, so the kid can have it on the shoulder, for example. Then a power brick is included, USB power brick, USB charger. A USB Type-C cable is also included. This is how you charge it. And on the right side here, we have a stylus that is in the shape of a pen, so that you can use it on the touch screen. This is very soft, you won't scratch the screen. It comes with a lanyard attached, so you can attach this to the case in case you don't want this pen to get lost. So to attach it, you simply have to pass it through this loop of the corner of the case, then pass the pencil like this, and here you go. Now it's attached, and this is elastic. So this is about it. This is what's included with the ON 8-inch Kids Tablet Bundle. I'll make separate videos on my channel on how to set up this tablet and how to use all the different features. So check this out, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. If you want to purchase another kid's tablet, I'll put links in the description towards Amazon, towards other alternatives if you're into this. See you.